Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile is always on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 72, NASDAQ off 15, S&P's down 6.5, gold contract down $7.80, trading at $12.0440 an ounce. Silver down 24 cents, $17.03 an ounce. Both gold and silver, folks, rejected, lower price, had lighter volume. Those babies are doing an ABC structure on the way up. It's actually a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. And today, rejected, lower price once again, had lighter volume. Bottom line, they want to go topside. Platinum down $5.50 at $9.58 an ounce. You have the copper market flat at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude up 32 cents. $51.40 a barrel. The light sweet crude market, folks, is in a lower range. I suspect we're going to try to make a run for the $48 level. That $48 level is where the OPEC had got together. That's the high of that day. And there's some good support there. We'll see how it comes down into that level. Notes, the 10-year note down 20 ticks, 124.03. 30-year bond down a full point and 4 ticks, 150.29. Both notes and bonds, they came into their strength. They came in with lighter volume. Like to see a little bit more of a rejection of price. They did reject price. We'll see how this shakes out in the next couple days. I do expect that they are going to go higher, meaning lower yield. Why? King dollar. King dollar, folks, up 207 ticks. You're at 101.125. King dollar failed to hold price. Has lighter volume, looks like it's set up the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. You have a price projection of this ABC structure on the way down of 98.130. And bottom line, the number that is the benchmark in King Dollar right now is 100.600. That is where King Dollar broke out from in March. The consolidation started in March of 2015. We broke out in November of this year. Bottom line, we'll see whether number one, does it go after that B point, which is not too far away from, and does it break it with volume? Euro, the euro is trading at 106, and the yen is trading at 114.84. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? The SPY out here today, excuse me, folks, traded to a price point of 227. You closed at 225.91. It looks to me that you're going to go after the December 30th area. The high of that area is 224.83. The low is 222. Dow Industrials. What do we have inside the Dow? Dow went after that area today. We're at 19,732. The high of December 30th was 19,852. You can see we're into that by over 120 points. The low is 19,718. And what we did do out here today, we went to 19,677. So you're coming into that area. The Dow Industrials, that is the November 30th area. Dow Industrials today did 755 million. And on the 30th of that November, we did 1.6 billion. So you can see that is not going to break easily. More than likely, that was option expiration, I expect. But that's not going to break easily. You got to come into that. It's got to build some more cars in order to come in harder for lower price. We go over to the gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here today traded to $11.95. We are at $12.0450. We did volume out here of, come on, baby, of 241,000 contracts. That was coming into 381 as well as 329. So you can see you rejected lower price, You had lighter volume. It's already in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Gold contract wants to move up into this 1251 area. Silver, same type of setup. What you had with silver, silver moved lower this morning. We got down to a price point of $16.74. We closed out the day trading at a price point of $17.03. We did volume of 75,000 contracts. Silver was going into 89,000 contracts as well as 82,000. So silver looks to me like it wants to make a run to this $18.95 area. The notes and bonds. What do we have with the notes and bonds? Notes and bonds moved to lower price. Yes, well, first off, yesterday you had fast price destruction without volume. When you get fast price destruction without volume, folks, that's a market that wants to go higher. Inside the bond market today, we did inside the note market, the 10-year note, you did 1.7 million contracts. That was going into 1.88. You got to a price point of 123.27. We closed at 124.03. Now, it's wild about the bond market. That is where the strength came in from January 5th. So the 124.03 is crucial. We're right at it right now. 30-year bond, what we did with the 30-year, same type of setup. 30-year bond out here closed at 150.28. You did volume of 306,000 contracts. That also was coming into its strength where it had 338. The low of the strength was 150.14. Now we went to 150.09. You rejected lower price. You had lighter volume. That's saying bonds also want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar, folks, is going to be the number out here. King dollar looks like it set up a nice ABC structure on the way down. King dollar got to a price point today of 101.710. Couldn't handle price. Had lighter volume. The price projection on King dollar is 98.130. So big moves out here. You stay right there, folks. We got our man, Mr. Bob Archer, the president and CEO of Great Panther Silver, coming up. He's going to walk us through what's happening with Great Panther Silver GPL. Going to be right back, folks.